Good morning, y'all. I'm headed to orientation for nursing school. It's 8:33 right now. It starts at 9:30. I live like 15 minutes away. I just want to get there and be sitting, and like mentally process what's going on. And plus, I'm so nervous. I'm like, Valerie, is this really happening? Because as I mentioned before, it's been a long time coming. So come on, y'all. Let's head there. Okay, so I'm finished with the orientation. They gave us like a little bag here with some stuff in there. But let's see. Let's take a look, y'all. Let's take a look. We got some scrubs, little Grey's Anatomy and everything. Little Grey's Anatomy. Scrubs, and more scrubs. More scrubs. I think this place, they gave us, with the tuition, 2 shirts, two tops, 2 bottoms, and you can buy more if you want more. But I'm not about to do that. Nurse school already costs too much. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got this book, Conscious Guide to APA Style. And I'm looking like, oh, honey, who about to read that? Ooh. It's another book in here. This one, a manual of laboratory and diagnostic tests. I got a headache just looking at the book. Let's see, what else we got? We got this. Let's open it. Let's see. Got a little pupil gauge. What else we got? A little hospital scissors. What else? Que más. Y'all, I'm learning Spanish. I need to start using what I know more. You don't use it, you lose it. Oh, we got a blood pressure cuff. So I can be checking folks' blood pressures. And whatever this is supposed to be. I don't even know what that's supposed to go to. A little blood pressure cuff. What else? Que más. And a stethoscope. Let's take it out so y'all can see, honey. Let's take it out so y'all can see. Come on out. Like, y'all, this is really real, y'all. Got my little stethoscope. Let's see. I'm guessing this is a tape measure. That's what it looks like. Okay. For a second, I was like, what am I going to use a tape measure for? But I remember, nurses use it to measure maybe like the baby's head or whatever else. Height sometimes. or whatever else. Okay, y'all, let's see what else. Okay, y'all, let's put this back in the bag.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all that was in this bag. Okay, and let's see, what else do we have? Just have a lanyard, keychain, whatever you call this thing, keychain, whatever. And for our badge, and just some what is this? See this pen? It's a nice little pen. That's cute. Look at it. That's too cute. And then just some hand sanitizers. And that's it, y'all. That's all they gave us. I'm just gonna use my old backpack. I will not be buying new things. I have a I'm gonna use a laptop that I've been using for the past couple of years. I'm not buying a new one. I have a laptop, I have an iPad, and that's what we're gonna use to take us on through this program is, I think, 21 months, and that's what I'm going to use to take me on through the rest of these months. I'm finishing by any means necessary. So y'all, that's it. I'll see y'all in my next video.